Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, we are going to talk about a course by Google on data structures and algorithms, which is free. The most important thing here is that anyone can take up this course at any time you wish. So, this is a great course for any beginner to start off with if he or she wants to learn data structures and algorithms. The timeline of this course is approximately 4 weeks, but you can complete this course early on if you give enough time each day. And let's see what all you will learn in the course. You will be given introduction, you will be talked about on efficiency of any algorithm, you'll learn list based collection, you'll learn searching, sorting, and you'll learn maps, hashing, trees, graphs. Then you'll also learn some famous computer science problems like the shortest path problem, the knap snack problem, and the trailing salesman problem, and many more. You'll be also taught dynamic programming. The best thing about this course is that you learn about technical interviewing techniques. So basically, you'll be explained how to break down a problem into small chunks and how to approach to solve a problem, and many more such techniques to solve a problem while in an interview. So this is a great thing about this course, and at the end you'll have a practice interview and it will be a great experience, believe me. And there's one more thing about this course is that it uses Python as a programming language to teach you data structures and algorithms. So it would be great if you know Python beforehand. And even if you don't know Python, during the course they'll provide you with important resources from where you can learn Python if you don't know Python. Then there'll be quizzes planned for you, using which you can practice the concepts you learned so far in the course. It will help you learn better, okay? In a nutshell, this is a great course to start off with, especially for beginners. So this was all about today's video. I'll link this course in the description below. So just visit the link, make an account on Udacity if you don't have one, and get started. So this was all about today's video. Thank you and have a good day.